Okay, so good morning, students. So today we will be starting with head and neck artery. So in the head and the neck portion, what are the arteries? What are the name of the arteries that you will find? Okay, so first let us see the. We will discuss one by one. So first, let us see about the carotid artery. This one. This is the carotid artery. So this carotid artery, it is divided into two parts. This is the right side and the left side. This one. This carotid means it lies here. It lies here. So carotid artery, it is divided into two parts. It is the right and the left. So what happens here in the carotid artery? First, we will find the left common artery. Can you hear me, students? Hello?
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, so first you will find the carotid artery. So in the carotid artery, it is divided into two parts. There is the brachiocephalic artery. This is the heart. This is the heart. The day I was saying about the arch of the aorta. No? So this is the heart, and upside of the heart there lies the arch of the aorta. This is the arch of the aorta. You can see it, right? Can you hear me now? Senkamchi? Senkamchi, can you hear me now? Hello? Other students, can you hear me or not?
Yeah, we can
Okay.
hear.
Okay, so what I was saying, first you will find the carotid artery. So the carotid artery, it is divided into right and the left. So first let us discuss about the right side. The in the right side, what in the right side, what will you find? In the right side, you will find the brachiocephalic artery. This one. This is the arch of the aorta, right? So this is your heart, and upside of your heart there lies the arch of the aorta. So arch of the aorta is this side. Hmm. So the left side, it will mostly come out. It will mostly come out from the brachiocephalic artery. This is the brachiocephalic artery. It is the branch. It is the branch of the brachiocephalic artery. Understand? And in the left side, what is the name of the artery that you will find? You will find the arch of the aorta. This is the arch of the aorta. Then it will come in this manner. It is the left common carotid artery like this. Understand? Left side, I'll repeat again. In the carotid artery, left side, you will find the brachiocephalic artery, this one. And uh, sorry, in the right side, you will find the brachiocephalic artery, this one. And in the left side, this one, you will find means from here, from the arch of the aorta. Okay, you will find the this one carotid artery. That is the left common carotid artery. This one. Okay, did you understand? And these two carotid artery, that is the right and the left side, they will pass. They will pass where? They will pass upwards. Upwards means both sides, right and left side. You will find in they will be distributed in your neck portion. That is right and the left side. Did you understand? And this common carotid artery, the common carotid artery, they are covered. They are covered They are covered by what? They are covered by fascia, Fascia, fascia. Fascia means what? Fascia means it is a connective tissue which lies beneath the skin, huh? And it separates the muscles. It separates the muscles and your internal organs. So, which is known as carotid sheath. In this area, you will find it. This is the carotid sheath. This blue color, no? It's colored in blue. This is known as the carotid sheath. So they are covered by the carotid sheath. It means it is covered by fascia, Fascia, fascia. The fascia is a connective tissue which separates the muscles and what? And your internal organs. Understand which is this. That is the carotid, which you will find in the carotid site. Okay, is it clear till here? Yes or
No,
no?
ma'am.
Not clear.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the head and the neck artery. Huh? This is the head and the neck artery. So first let us discuss about the carotid artery. This is the carotid artery. This is the common one. I mean, you can say it as the general carotid artery. So this carotid artery, it is divided. You will find that they are of two types. I mean, two parts. That is the right side and the left side. This carotid is where? Here, this area, right, in your neck portion. So the carotid artery, it is divided into two parts, right and the left. So first let us discuss about the right side. In the right side of your carotid artery, from where does it arises? I mean, what is the main branch? What is the main branch of the carotid artery in the right side? In the right side, the main branch is the brachiocephalic artery, this one. This is your heart. Remember, this is your heart, and all these are known as arch of the aorta. Arch, ARCH. Arch means what? It's bending like this. From the picture itself, you can just see it. It's bending, right? It's not straight. It's bending. So that's why it is known as arch, ARCH, arch. So this is the aorta. So this is the heart. This is the arch of the aorta. So the right side, the right common carotid artery, the what is the main branch? What is the main branch? The main branch is the brachiocephalic artery. Understand? The brachiocephalic artery, it comes from the right side, and the next is the left side. That is the left common carotid artery. So the left common carotid artery, what is the main branch of this left common carotid artery? The main branch is the arch of the aorta. This one, arch of the aorta, and uh, if we come upwards, you will find the left common carotid artery. So these are the two carotid artery that you will find, right and left side. Understand? Right side it comes from the brachiocephalic artery, and left side it comes the what is the main branch? The main branch is the arch of the aorta. This is the arch of the aorta, and this right and the left side of the common carotid artery, it runs where it runs in your neck portion, huh? Right and left side, both sides, right and left side. And this artery, that is the brachiocephalic artery and the left common carotid artery, they are covered. They are covered with muscles, you can say, which is known as fascia, Fascia, fascia. So that what is it called? That one, carotid sheath. This one, this blue color, no? They are covered with this muscle or else fascia, you can say. It is a connective tissue. And what is the name of that? The name of this is the carotid sheath, this one. Carotid is your both sides will lie. Carotid sheath. Okay, is it clear now? Carotid artery. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now let's come to the this one. Next is the external carotid artery. This one. External carotid artery. So external carotid artery mostly. So this external carotid artery, they are mostly what? This artery they supplies the superficial tissues. This external carotid artery they supplies the superficial tissues of the head and the neck. Hmm. To understand this external carotid artery, they supplies the superficial tissues. Superficial superficial tissues in which area? In your head, from your head, okay, from your head. I mean, from the neck. Sorry, from the neck and the head. It supplies. Then afterwards, it will go and this external carotid artery. After that, you will find that they are divided into different branches, right? After that, it will supply to different parts, parts of these branches. Okay, did you understand? Yes or no? This external carotid artery, they supplies where? They supplies to the superficial tissues, superficial tissues from the head and the neck. Understand? From the head and the neck. And afterwards it will go and supply to the different branches. All these are the branches. After that it will go and supply to the different branches. Is it clear? External carotid artery? Yes. Say soon. Yes or no? Wycombe Melvina, did you understand? Wycombe Melvina, did you understand or not? Can you hear me, students, first of all? Hello, can you hear me? Okay, if you can hear me, then say now whether you have understood or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm, okay. Okay, next is superior thyroid artery. Is it clear now? Is it clear now, my voice? Okay.
So,
Okay, next is a superior thyroid artery. So the superior thyroid artery, it lies here. Listen, this is a superior thyroid artery, and they go and supply where? They go and supply this superior thyroid artery, they go and supply in the thyroid gland. Do you remember? In your previous semester, I taught you the thyroid gland, this one. This this is a thyroid. So the superior thyroid artery, they will go and supply to the this one, thyroid, to the thyroid gland. Is it clear? Superior thyroid artery? Yes. Okay. Okay, next is lingual artery, this one. Lingual artery. Okay, so this is the lingual artery. Wait, let me show you again. This is the lingual artery. Means somewhere here you will find it. Okay, here in this area, you will find the lingual artery. This one. This is the lingual artery. So the lingual artery, this lingual artery, it supplies where? The lingual artery, it supplies in your mouth area. In your mouth area, here the lingual artery lies. So it supplies in your mouth area, that is the tonsil. It is tonsil and epiglottis. This one. It supplies to tonsil, this one, tonsil and epiglottis. Epiglottis is here. Did you understand? Yes, did you understand? Tonsil and epiglottis. It's
Yeah.
uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Next is facial artery. This one. From the name itself, facial artery. So where the facial artery, this is the facial artery. So the facial artery, it will supply. It will supply where the facial artery. It will supply in your mandible. This is your mandible, right? This one, mandible. And here also I'll show it clearly. Mandible. This is a mandible. So it will start over your mandible in this portion, and jaw. This is your jaw. This is the mandible. This is your jaw, and afterwards it will supply where this facial artery. It will supply in all the muscle of your face. I mean your facial expression. Unique facial expression, right? So all those, the place where you what to say, the place where you express yourself, no, means all those face area, you will find the facial artery. So yes, you will find the facial artery, and it mostly lies in your mouth portion. And here in the facial artery, well, what will you find? You can also, means downside of that, you can also feel the pulse that is across your jawbone. This is your jaw, right? So you'll be able to feel your pulse right here. It is the carotid one. It's just downside of the facial artery. Okay, I'll repeat again. The facial artery starts over the mandible. This is a mandible. Then after that it will come to your jaw portion. Then after that it will supply to the face. That is the facial expression. Usually does facial expressions, right? So in all those area, or else in all those portion, you will find the facial artery. And across that, means downside, you will be able to feel your pulse. This is your jaw. Downside of that, you will be able to find your pulse. Okay, is it clear about facial artery? Yes, facial artery.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, facial artery. Next comes the occipital part. Okay, so this is the occipital artery. So this occipital artery, it supplies where? It supplies to the posterior scalp. This is your scalp, right? Posterior means here in your posterior part means what? At the back side, of your scalp. This is your scalp. So at the back side of your scalp, in this portion, the occipital artery, it supplies. Okay, is it clear about occipital? Yes. I will take that one as a yes. If you won't answer anything, I will take it as a yes. Okay, next, we have discussed about the occipital artery. Next, you will find the temporal artery. We are done with occipital artery. Now we will discuss about the temporal artery. So this is the temporal artery. So the temporal artery, it lies where? I mean upwards, right? Upwards. Yeah, temporal. You remember the temporal? It lies upwards in front of your, I mean in front of the ear. Means this portion, this is your ear. So it will lie here. And it supplies to which area? It supplies to frontal, this part, this portion. It supplies to temporal, okay, frontal, temporal, and parietal. This one, parietal, this portion, parietal scalp. Okay, this temporal artery. This is a temporal. This is a temporal artery, right? So it will supply where? In which area? It will supply to front, temporal, and parietal scalp. In all this scalp area, the temporal artery they supplies. Okay, is it clear? And in this temporal artery, in this area, at the upper part of your ear, this portion, you will be able to feel your pulse. Temporal artery, right? So you will be able to feel your pulse right here. Okay, is it clear about temporal artery? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, yes.
Okay. Next is maxillary artery. Let me show you maxillary. This one. Can you see it? Maxillary artery. This one. Can you see this maxillary artery?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the maxillary artery. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. So the maxillary artery, they supplies where? They supplies to the muscles of mastication. Okay. Means to the muscles of mastication is what? This one, temporalis and masseter. This one. These are the two muscles. These are the two muscles where mastication usually occurs. So the maxillary artery, it supplies to this area, temporalis and masseter, this muscle. These are the two muscles where the maxillary artery supplies. Okay, is it clear? Maxillary artery.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, last is this one. Internal carotid artery. So in the internal, this is the internal carotid artery. So in the internal carotid artery, where does it supply this internal carotid artery? The internal carotid artery, they are the major contributor. Means major contributor means what? Means they does this internal carotid artery. They mostly does supply. All the supply it does means maximum. All the major things it does. Then okay, they are the major contributor. They are the major contributor to what? To the surplus to the circulus arteriosus. It is known as circulus arteriosus, also known as circle of Wills. Okay, internal carotid artery, circulus arteriosus, or else you can say circle of Wills. This one. This is this one. as we will zoom in, you will find like this, the circle of wheels. And it supplies to the greater part of your brain. Okay, it supplies to the greater part of your brain, and it supplies in which area? It supplies in your eyes, it supplies in your forehead, this, and also as well as your nose. Understand? This internal carotid artery, what will you find? If you will see from the bottom, I mean from the bottom point of bottom, this is your brain. If you will see from the bottom part, you will find the circle of Wills, which comes up from where? Which comes up from the internal carotid artery. Okay, and if you will zoom in, you will find the circle of Wills. This is known as the circle of Wills. So this circle of Wills, where it will supply, to the eyes, your forehead, and your nose. Okay, and also as well as the part of your brain. It is also known as the greater part of your brain. It is also known as the stem of the brain. Okay, is it clear till here? Any doubts?
Yes.
Any doubts? Any doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, if no doubts, then Mercy, can you hear me, Mercy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mercy. The carotid artery, it is divided into how many parts?
Into two, right and left.
Okay, so the left one, what is the main branch? From where does it come?
The arch of aorta.
Okay, and right side?
Brachiocephalic artery.
Brachiocephalic artery. Okay, good. Okay, next, Rashmi Sonwal.
Yes,
Okay, Rashmi, can you tell me what is the name of that sheet which covers the carotid artery? I mentioned one sheet name, na?
ma'am.
Sheath. Uh-huh.
Fascia.
What?
Ma'am, fascia.
Fascia. It is also known as what? Called what? Called, which is known as? Wait. From the name itself, what is this name? What is the name of? What is this?
Ma'am, left common artery.
This one. Read this, Rashmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this. What is this?
Ma'am, carotid sheath.
Carotid sheet, right?
Carotid
Okay.
sheath.
Okay, so this is the name.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is the name of it. Okay, Rashmi, carotid sheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next, Samuel. Samuel, can you hear me? Okay, Yatu likha then. Yatu likha, can you hear me? Yatu likha. Okay, Hemam Shelly Devi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Hemam Shelly, can you tell me the maxillary artery? Maxillary artery, you remembered, na? Yes. Wait, let me show you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the maxillary artery. So where does it supply? In which muscle? Do you remember?
It's applied to sell or
What? It applies where?
muscle or mastication.
Muscles of mastication. Okay, very good. Okay, let me show you again. This one, huh? Muscles of mastication. That is the temporalis, this one, and masseter, this one. Okay, last question. Srijana, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, internal carotid artery, what does it apply?
Ma'am, it supplies to the greater part of the brain, eyes, nose, forehead.
Okay, it is also known as what? What is, I mentioned one thing, a circle.
Circle of Willis.
Yes, circle of Wills. So this is the bottom part of the brain. If you will see from the bottom part of your brain, this one, huh? And if you will zoom in, you will find this. This is known as circle of Willis. Okay, I hope everyone of you have understood. Most of you were able to answer. Very good. Okay. Okay, so are you all planning to take COVID vaccine? From 1st May, na? Yes?
Yes.
Yes or uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yes? I can't hear
No.
you. Okay, you please take, all of you. You please take. But in Nepal, it's not given or what, Srijana? Vaccine.
No, ma'am.
Mm. But you please try to take it if possible. I advise every one of you to please take it. Okay. Today you will give me Srijana and Dibyajit. Dibyajit, can you hear me? Dibyajit, can you hear me? Dibyajit, can you hear me? Okay, from second semester you can hear me.
Hello?
Yes, Dibyajit. Please give me the
Yes, ma'am.
attendance. Please give me the attendance. As soon as you are done, inform me. I'll end the meeting.
Done, ma'am.
Srijana done. Okay, then thank you everyone.
Done.